Welcome back to the Frenchie's world. Yes, it's me, Frenchie, and I am back at it again with another video. A video for who? A video for you guys. Yes, my videos will always be for you guys. Okay. Actually, let me just say this. I went to go get my nails done and my eyebrows done today. You guys see them? You guys see my nails? Oh, and I got my toes done too, but you can't see it. You see it? You see my nails? You see my nails? My other nails? Both of my nails? Well, yeah, so at first I went to a nail salon that's near me, and I went there and they were like, oh, at first I called them to see if I could come in today because it was already around like about to be 3 o'clock when I called them, and they're like, yeah, you can come in and get it done, and they were like, how long is it going to take you to get there? And I was like, 10 minutes. So I actually got there in 20 minutes because I had to get myself together. And then, yeah. And then when I got there, they were like, yeah, can you wait like 15 more minutes? And I was like, yes, I can. And then the male guy that works there, I think he's the part owner there, he was like, can you come back tomorrow? This was like 5 minutes after they told me, can I wait 15 minutes longer? And then they were like, and then the guy came in and he was like, oh, can you come in tomorrow? And I was like, dang. And I was like, yes, I'll come tomorrow, but I was trying to get my nails done today. And he was like, yeah, I'm sorry, there's only one person that knows how to do acrylic nails in here. I was like, what the heck? Only one person in here that knows how to do acrylic nails. I was like, so what are all these other people doing then? Working on all these other people? I was saying into my head. And I was like, alright, I'll just come tomorrow. And then, yeah, so I wanted to get some, so I was leaving out, and I was like, no, I want to get some food and come home and eat it. So I looked up some places, and I seen this restaurant, this Chinese restaurant. I was walking there, and then I was like, okay, when I Googled it, I Googled restaurants near where I was at. And then I found a Chinese restaurant. And then as I was walking there, I was like, oh, it's not far. It's walking distance. So I started walking towards it. And then I seen another nail salon. I seen on Google as well when I looked up the first nail salon. I seen it. I was like, oh, yeah, I seen it on the internet. So I went in there. And I was like, oh, so are you got, there's any openings to do a client? And they're like, yes, what are you trying to get? And I was like, manicure and pedicure, acrylic gel. And they're like, oh, okay. Well, yeah, no worries, y'all. We'll get to you. And I was like, and eyebrows too, you guys do? And they're like, yes. So I got my nose done and everything there. Boom, boom, boom. You know, you guys see them. You see them? You see my nails? And then, I was like, okay, before I go to this Chinese restaurant, I'm gonna get my nails done. I got my nails done, boom, and then got my Chinese food, voila, like you see right here. Yeah, so let me tell you what I got. I got spicy shrimp. This is the shrimp with the head on it. It got the head still. Yeah, spicy shrimp right here. And then I got curry chicken with potatoes in it right here, and then my white rice, and then you see the chopsticks. And yes, I got some soy sauce, and then I got some sriracha sauce. You don't see it in the screen, but I have it to the side. And then I have my water right here. So yeah, before I dive in, let's bow our heads and pray on this food. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you for everything you have done for me. bless everybody that's in the same position as me, in the same similarities as me, and bless me to not have to. Yes, you guys, I'm gonna say this. Not have to walk with a walker, cane, wheelchair, neck brace, all of that. Bless us and thank you for what you have done for all of us that's in the same situations or went through the same or similar situations. And yeah, let me say this part again. You guys are not the best at praying on food, but I'm doing the best as I can. And thank you for this food that I'm receiving and about to eat. And bless the people, that's in need, that's in hunger, that needs food. Bless them to get food. Give them food. Show us the right path of joy, being positive, being in the right atmospheres, not being into any problems, no dramas. It's always drama free around here. And yeah. Amen. Okay. You guys, I'm not the best at prayers, but I got it done. So let me dive in. I'm gonna put some food, some of this Chinese food on this plate, and then yeah. About to get into this. Yeah, this the spicy shrimp, it was spilling in the bag, but yeah, cause on this fork right here, and then it's on it got on this chopstick wrappers right here. But yeah, I'll be okay. I got napkins right here. I got my napkins right here. Okay, let me get some of this on my plate. Let me get some of this. That's good for right now. Get some of this on here. This curry chicken with potatoes. Yeah, let me move these out the way so you guys can see my plate a little better. Get some of this rice, put it on my plate. I'm about to move all this out the way. Yes, you guys, I do know how to use chopsticks. I do. It's in my culture. If you don't know, I said it in the video when I was doing the spicy noodles challenge for the first time with me and my little nephew. I explained that I am black and Japanese in that video. Me and my nephew. We're like mutts, you know? But yeah. Move all this out the way. Okay. Alright. So let me tell you guys something that I haven't been telling anybody at all. Only 3 people know. Sorry for getting up so much. Just the trash can's not near me. But let me tell you guys something. Only 2 people know about this. I don't know, 3 people know about this. Guys, Oh wait, hold on. Let me move my lens a little closer. Yes, you guys. Let me tell you that I only told 3 people only. I only told 3 people about this. Not everybody knows. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I am in process of buying a house. Yes, I am in process right now in buying a house right now. Yes, you guys. And another thing too is that whoa. Whoa, this thing squirted. What the heck? Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. That wasn't supposed to happen. I don't know why it squirted everywhere. Oh wow. Oh yeah, okay. I'm sorry you guys, I'm like everywhere with this. But no, but like another thing too, I'm in process of buying a house. Yes, that's number 1. But remember I said I was gonna get my 2nd bedroom into an office space / studio, like a YouTube studio, being creative in there. Doing videos, yes. So you guys, I have bought a table and a chair, yes. Because once it comes, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else to go buy it. More chairs, but I bought a table and a chair, and then you guys know it already. I bought a picture frame and a frame. It says good vibes only. I like that because yes, I am really about good vibes only. And yeah, and I'm so excited for this, you guys, that I'm able to create a studio for my YouTube videos. And number 1 thing out of everything, number 1 thing, I'm scared because I had never done this before, and I'm super happy and excited because I'm in process right now in buying a house. Yes, I am in process of buying a house. Wow, Frenchie, you're buying a house. Like, oh my gosh. But yes ma'am, yes sir, child, I am buying a house. I am in process right now. And then on top of all that, I'm still trying to get my hair bending business together. I'm trying to get it together. I'm doing my best on it. But yes, I cannot believe this. I am in process of buying a house. Yes, a house. Yes, I said it. I said what I said. I said what I said. I am buying a house. I am in process of buying a house. I cannot believe I'm doing that. Like, oh wow. And then making my 2nd bedroom into a office space / studio to do my YouTube videos. Wow. Wow. I cannot believe that. You know, the things this is a blessing, like for real. It is really a blessing. And then when I'm like practically like done or almost done in buying the house, I'll give you guys a tour of the house. I'll give you guys a tour of it. Cause like, I never thought I would be doing this. I never thought in my life that Frenchie will be buying a house. That's the #1 thing that I keep on talking about right now. Because it's like, dang, I'm making big moves in life. Yes. And then my second bedroom being turned into an office space / studio to do my YouTube videos. Wow. You know, all I gotta say is, stay focused on what you love doing in life. Stay focused and never give up on it. Don't never give up on it. Don't never. And the more you get further into what you love doing, you really gotta go out there. Get really into it. Go where people are doing what you are doing. And get deep into it. Get all the way into it. Ask questions. Talk. Move around. Get in there. Don't stop. Go all the way. Go deep in there. You know? And be surrounded by where people do what you do. That's it. But you know, like, it's crazy. Like, for real, like, wow. I'm in the process of buying a house. What? Oh, and another thing too. Wow, I don't want to feel like be shoving things in people's faces. I'm not. I'm really not. Like, seriously, I'm not. I'm just excited on what I'm what life have gave me, what I'm able to do. Like, I'm in process of getting a passport right now. I am in a process and getting a passport too as well to go to Japan. And I'm bringing my little brother and my second oldest brother. I'm bringing them two with me to Japan. Yes. Yes, child. That's not like the girl. This worker at this Chinese restaurant was like, "Oh, I don't think you're gonna like the shrimp because the head is on it." I was like, "Oh, for real?" And I was thinking to myself, and I was looking at her, I was like, "No, I'm going to eat this. And I know I'm going to like it. All I got to do is peel the head off, and I'll be just fine." And I am. I really do like this. I really do. I am really into this shrimp. right now. I really do like it a lot. She was like, yeah, most Americans, when they come and ask for the shrimp and they see the head on it, they be so discouraged about it and they change their mind on getting it. They be like, when they come with their Chinese friend, Asian friends, they see their Asians or Chinese friends order the shrimp with the head on it. I be like, oh really? And I told her, oh, I'm part black and Japanese. She was like, I was like, I'm part Japanese. And then she was like, oh, yeah, this is not that because we're Chinese. And I understand where she was coming from. Cause she was like, yeah, I don't think she was like, I don't think Japanese people do or do the type of foods that we make or some. I forgot what exactly she said, but I understand where she was coming from when she told me what she said. And I was like, okay. I was like, oh, okay, I understand. You guys, like me living here by myself, even though at the end of the day this was always my place. My name is on the list right here where I'm living at right now. As you see me are here eating this food and talking to you guys. Me being here living here by myself like 100%. I be getting lonely. I be getting like sad. Oh my gosh, like somebody come over. And then these new people that I have met out here in Vegas, they be saying, hold on. They be saying, oh, yeah, I would come and hang out with you, but you live too far. Why won't you come see me? I go see them here and there a lot, like not a lot, but like whenever I have like the time to go see them, you know, like I'll go see them. But when I want them to come see me, they will always say, you're too far for me to come to you. I'm like, what? Because me, I'm be honest with you guys. I'm be 100%. Me being from California, people that live in California, they travel to go see one another. We travel in California. We go all around California to hang out or to take care of business or whatever the case is. We travel. People in Vegas, they don't like to travel around Vegas, really. Or they don't like to do anything really in Vegas. Even though I live in Vegas, I don't really like Vegas, really, to be honest with you guys. I really don't like Vegas at all. Like, people don't like to get out and adventure. Like, wow, like, to be honest, like, people out here in Vegas, like, the only people that you see that would be very adventurous out here in Vegas are tourist people. Tourist people, that's just it. That you see that travels around. And people that live here, they don't want to go anywhere at all. I'm like, are you serious? But then again, there is a good percentage of people that do live here, that do travel around and do things. But the percentage is higher on that people don't want to go out at all. I'm like, are you serious? Like, come on. Like, all you want to do is sit in the house all day. Like, don't get me wrong, being at home is cool to hang out here and there, but sorry, you guys. My camera has stopped recording. I guess it already went up to the max time on how long you can like record a video on this camera. But like I was saying though, like, yeah, it's cool to be like at home and hanging out here and there. But come on now, like, you really don't like to go out? Like, come on. Come on, like, are you serious? Because where I'm from, you know, I'm from California. And everybody in California that I know that I have met, they like to travel. I'm like, whoa. When I came here, I was like, whoa, what the heck? All you want to do is just sit in the house. Like, when I first moved to California, no, I mean, not California. I mean, when I first moved to Vegas, it was 2015. And I remember me being here for 3 months straight. Because after, like, 3 months straight, I was meeting people and all they want to do is sit in a house 24/7. Like, and laugh, giggle, and turn up. I'm like, yeah, but let's go out too as well. I met some people that do like going out, but then again, they like to stay at home a lot more. I'm like, are you serious? And yes, like I said, there's a good percentage of people that do like going out, but it's higher on the percentage that people don't want to go out. They just want to stay at home. I just don't understand. Like, are you serious? And then that's when it gets to like, that's where it gets to when it's like, yeah, you're behind. You're late on everything. You're really, really late on everything because all you want to do is sit in the house. I don't understand that. I don't. I don't get it. But like, yeah, that's just how it is in Vegas. That's just how it is, and I'm not a fan at all. I am not a fan. The reason why I had to come back to Vegas, because when I was in Atlanta, I was going to doctor's appointments, and they're like, yeah, when you won't be able to actually see a doctor until like 4 or 5 months later when I was out there. And I was like, oh no, like, are you for real? Like, I was just telling myself, like, are you for real? And they were like, no, like, a month later, when they told me that, they were like, yeah, I think it will be best for you to just go back to Vegas to go see your doctors that you've been seeing, because you're in the medical system, computers, whatever, out there, and they got a hold of like all these medical people from out here, and they're suggesting me to come back out here and all that, and yeah, and so like, now I'm back out here. Yeah, if you guys really want to know the reason why I wanted to go see doctors out there, because like I already told you guys, back last year in August, I got in a very bad accident. I got in a bad accident. I wasn't in a car, I was hit by a car. And then yeah, and then all the way up until this year in March, I just decided to go to Atlanta to see if I like it or not. Because by then I was like, my body was getting better, but it was still bad. It was still bad. And then I was like, you know what? I want to go to Atlanta and see how it is. And then I went out there, and I was out there for 2 months. And then I was out there for 1 month. Yeah, I was out there for 1 month. And the crazy thing is, I got in another accident. But this time I was in a lift ride, and the car hit on my side, the one that hit the lift car. What? I was in more pain when the lift ride hit me. Well, I didn't feel no pain until, I went to the emergency room. And then when I got home, when I was living in Atlanta, I had my own apartment in Atlanta. When I got home, I woke up the next day. No, because I was there all night and then the sun rised, and I didn't go home until like 10 in the morning from the emergency room. And then I went home. I went to sleep. No, it was like 8 in the morning. I went to sleep, woke up at 12. I woke up. My back was hurting like it was day one all over again, like how I got in an accident out here in Vegas back in August 18th. No, I don't remember what day it was, but I know it was in August. And I was like, dang, I feel like I'm in pain like that all over again, like this. Like I was already in pain when I went to Atlanta, but like, the pain came to me like it was day one all over again when I was out here in Vegas in August of 2018. Like, what? And then I went, and then I got set up to go see doctors, and then a month later from there, now we're talking about April. Now it's April now. And then the doctor, the nurses or whatever who I was seeing, they said I should come out here, and then they got in contact with the nurses and doctors out here that I've been seeing, and they suggested me to come back out here. It'll be best for me. I get in immediately to see a doctor, and now I'm out here now. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. My body is a lot better. It's a lot better. I'm so happy and excited. But my body will never be normal like how it was before the first accident back in August of last year. Like, it will never get like that. But I do be going out though. I go out, I go to clubs, I go to see family. I'll be traveling around, yes. But yeah. Yup. That's what happened. And now I'm here. Boom, you see me. But other than that, I'm very excited. I'm very excited that I'm purchasing a house. Oh my gosh, I'm saying it again. I can't believe this. I'm in process of purchasing a house. I'm in process of getting a passport to go to Japan with 2 of my brothers. And I'm turning my 2nd bedroom into an office / YouTube. Well, office / studio to do my YouTube videos. Yes. And I'm still in process on starting my hair vending business. Yes, I am. Ooh. Oh, that went down wrong. Oh, that's spicy. Ooh. But yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited on what life have gave me. You know, I guess life told me I have to go through a certain situation in life that I won't like, but at the end of the day, you'll be smiling. And I guess this is what it is right here. Yep, I'm doing all of that as I speak. And I said what I said, period. And that's on period. I said what I said, and that's on period. Yeah, and then next month I'm supposed to be going to go visit a friend. Well, we're supposed to go together, but a situation happened, so he went to Rhode Island. He's already on process on going there, but I'm gonna go to Rhode Island to go meet my friend out there. It's gonna be next month, but it's not a for sure thing though, because I gotta see how my money is looking like by next month. It's not a for sure thing. But that's what I want to do, is to go see him now, because we were supposed to go out there together on a vacation type thing, cause we both never been there. Yep. But this time we're supposed to go out there for like a little vacay, but now he's going out there to live. I'm like, wow. Okay. I wonder how long he's gonna be out there though. Yeah, you guys seen my friend. It was actually my roommate, the boy that was staying here. If you seen I did 2 videos with him in it. Actually, I did 3 videos with him in it. 'Cause I did a vlog video, kind of, in a way. So, yeah, yeah, he went out there to go live now. Huh? I want to know how long he's gonna live out there though. Like, I just wondered. I wonder, but I hope he'll be okay out there. And he don't even know nobody out there. But Yeah. I have a friend, to be honest. Well, we're not friends, we're acquaintances. But she's cool people though. She's cool people though. I met her out here back in like 2017. Yeah, back in 2017 I met her out here. I met her at an ex-friend's place. And yeah, she's in Japan right now. And I'm like, and she's been out there, this is her third week being out there. And I'm like, dang, like, I'm thinking like, how long are you gonna be out there? Are you living out there now? Because shoot, you're living out there, I'm coming out there. I'm in process of getting my passport to go to Japan. I'm only gonna be out there for a week with my brothers. And then my second oldest brother, he was like, oh, I have a friend that's trying to go out there too. And then he was like, well, he can get us an Airbnb. I was like, oh, yes, let's do that. So we'll see when the time comes. And I will be vlogging out there and giving out content while I'm out there for you guys. Yes. These videos must go on. Doesn't matter if I'm on a vacation. When I go to Rhode Island, or I'm trying to go to Rhode Island, if I do go, I'm going to be making videos for you guys. Yes. I am. Whew. Okay, I'm starting to get full because these potatoes, there's big fat chunks of potatoes in here, and it's getting me full, and especially the rice on top of it. Look, I'll be honest, I'm not an official mukbanger at all. And I don't be doing mukbang videos a lot like that. I don't know how these YouTubers can do it. I'm getting real full. I'm getting real full. I'm serious, I'm getting full. Alright, I'm I'm about to end the video. I'm about to end the video off right here. Ooh. You guys, I'm gonna end the video off right here. Yeah, I can't go anymore. I can't. I'm not a mukbanger. I just do mukbang videos because I do other content videos, you know, and vlog videos. I don't do mukbang videos all the time. Well, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna end it off right here. And if you guys think this video is very interesting, and you guys have never seen me, Frenchie, in the Frenchies world, well, you guys want to see more videos of me? Well, go down here and like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell button so you guys can be notified at any given time whenever I upload a video. Peace!